Introducing the Alpha 28, the latest ultra-heavy-duty, 5-sided modular welding table from BuildPro. BuildPro engineers developed the Alpha 28 line by customer demand for an affordable, ultra-heavy-duty welding table. This table is the optimal solution for precision vertical and horizontal fixturing to expand your capabilities in welding and fabrication. It has all the great qualities and craftsmanship you'd expect from BuildPro tables by strong hand tools. Let's explore the features of the Alpha 28 to see why it's the leader of the pack. The Alpha 28 has self-locating table plates that can be replaced and repositioned to increase the width of the table for oversized or complex fixtures, or flipped 180 degrees, giving you double the life in every plate. These table plates are made from tough P20 low-alloy tool steel and feature a working flatness tolerance of plus or minus 0.125 mm per 600 mm squared. Each table plate is QPQ nitrided, which improves hardness, corrosion, and weld spatter resistance without distorting the flatness of the plate. The Alpha 28 system features a fixturing grid pattern of 28 mm diameter boreholes, spaced at 100 mm center to center. The Alpha 28 has been completely redesigned with the new frame structure that delivers a stronger, more rigid frame. This heavy-duty table supports 4,400 pounds per leg and is offered with a variety of table legs, including height-adjustable legs and legs with rolling casters for the utmost versatility. The Alpha 28 is complemented by a complete range of modular fixturing and clamping accessories, including stops, squares, clamps, risers, and special clamps. BuildPro also offers a wide range of 28 mm accessories, fixturing kits, and tool carts. For additional shop accessories and organization tools and equipment, visit BuildPro.com. The BuildPro Alpha 28, leader of the pack.